You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these words once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary in English, more words that look similar but may have different pronunciation or have the same pronunciation, make sure to stay tuned. I'll have loads more videos for you. I'll link to a few for you at the end of this one. The top word here is kiss, alright? So that's when you kiss somebody on the lips or on the cheek. Kiss, alright? So you have a short E sound and an S sound. Kiss, kiss, alright? So it's not keys, it's kiss. The bottom word are the keys you open a car or a lock or a door with, alright? It's pronounced keys. That's the plural of the word key, alright? So it's pronounced key. If you add an S to it, the S has a Z sound, keys, and it becomes a very long E sound, okay? So bottom word, keys. Can you hear that it has a long E sound? It's not keys, it's not keys, 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 and not keys, but keys. All right, so top word kiss, short E sound and S sound, kiss. Bottom word keys, keys, kiss, keys. Can you hear the difference? Was this any helpful? Can you pronounce those correctly? Let us know in the comments. Let me know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.